look away. But whatever you do, don't blink. Don't blink. Welcome, everybody. It is a quick, as I'm putting my weeping angel back over here, sometimes I'll tape up my eyes and keep them open so I don't blink. Not really. Like I said, welcome everybody. It is an almost daily vlog, a vlog that happens almost daily. Today, it's going to be a quick unboxing, an unboxing video of something I purchased at Universal Studios, Orlando, Florida, home. When I was home on my days off yesterday and the day before yesterday, I decided to hit my normal kiosks, which if you come down out of City Walk, down by the water, you could go right and you could go left. If you go right, you go to Universal Studios. If you take the walkway to the left, you go to Islands of Adventure. But right there at that split, if you walk just a little bit to the right, about 3 kiosks down, there is a Doctor Who kiosk. It sells nothing but Doctor Who stuff. Not as much as if you were at Disney World at Epcot and went into England, and inside that gift shop, there's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of Doctor Who stuff, a lot of Sherlock, a lot of Torchwood stuff at Disney. Universal only has this one little kiosks where you can get stuff like Weeping Angels, like sonic screwdrivers. Does this even, yeah, it still works. Still works. This is old sonic screwdriver, and the battery is still good in it. Ta-da! But I have pretty much everything that kiosk sells. I mean, clothing wise, I have all the t-shirts. I have a few pop vinyls. I even have a pop vinyl keychain of David Tennant, and stuff like Sonics and things like that. Just fun stuff. Different. Here's one of my shirts. Look at this one. I got this one here about a month or 2 ago. See, I have some stuff. I have some stuff. And yesterday, I got another some stuff. Kind of expensive. It's kind of amazing how expensive some of this stuff could be. Like this one sonic screwdriver, I believe when I got it, it was $19. I think these are 19. And I got that, not at Universal. I think I got this at Hot Topic. 19 bucks. This was 3 times that much. 3 times what this cost. But why not? Because there's 3 of them. Ta-da! Check that out. Check this out. Sonic screwdriver goodness. Now you have the normal sonic screwdriver right here, which is fairly similar to this one, except this one has buttons and all sorts of stuff on it. Then you got these other 2 right here. I'm trying to watch the monitor while I touch things. And this is parts. These are all parts that you can add to this sonic screwdriver right here. And it says here that you could have up to 80 possible configurations. 80 different configurations just with the parts included in this box. You can make your sonic screwdriver yours. Just, it's kind of like at Disney where you create your own lightsaber. Here you can create in one package your own sonic screwdriver. So that's what I got. This has with multiple lights and sound effects. See that? Multiple lights, sound effects. It does whatever BZZZZZZ is. It's not buzz. There'd be a U in there. So it's bzz, bzz, I guess. I don't know. Personalize your sonic screwdriver. So if you go to theme parks and stuff, you can find Doctor Who stuff. And stuff that even us adults could use, because, see, look at this. It's age 5 and up. So it's perfect for me. So I was thinking about doing a quick unboxing, kind of seeing what the quality is. This one here is pretty high quality. It's pretty good. I even have a small mini one that my son got me, that is actually even higher quality, feels sturdy and strong in the hand. This kind of, when it's closed, it feels good. It feels good and solid. Solid plastic. I don't know how these are gonna fare. For the price, they should be pretty good. So where do we unbox these at? Because it's not gonna be a collectible, I wouldn't think. And if it was a collectible, the box is kind of messed up, so it's not really worth keeping in the box. Ugh. Really don't need an unboxing knife. Let's see here. Ooh. So that's the box, and that's the screwdrivers. Box, screwdrivers. So it looks like here you got some sort of fuel rod. See this right down here? You get a fuel rod that probably goes in the base of the screwdriver, or you could put it in this base and then add the stuff to it, I'm assuming. So this is where all the electronics are. So you got the two different bottoms, another bottom that's already put on this one, and I'm assuming you could take off, so you could change out the handles, change out the center pieces, the controls, and then the sonic parts. You can have whatever. How do we get it out of here? I suck at unboxing. Okay, here they are, out of the plastic. I'd like to have a wooden case that has velvet inside, and then where I could place all the sonic screwdrivers in order in a nice wooden velvety case. Okay, this one here that's already put together is very much similar to this one. Very similar. Yes. Very, very similar. I don't know if this one opens up. This one here that was the same price as this one doesn't really do anything. It doesn't, it's not spring loaded. Get down. It's not spring loaded, doesn't do anything. Doesn't make, at the moment, I don't see any buttons on it where you press. Oh, there is a button on it, but it doesn't do anything. So the bottom comes off. I'm assuming, if I could get this out, I'm assuming you put this in here. I'm making sure it doesn't have one of those battery pull tab things. It doesn't. And that's not how it goes in. So I must go here. And you could go, no, that doesn't do it either. Get in there. How do you put the bottom back on? It doesn't go in there, so maybe it goes in. I had it in backwards. Okay, so that's how it goes in. That'll go in. Still nothing. Nothing, no noise. No noise. Hold on one second, I gotta knock on the door. Okay, guess what? They want me to walk up there. Where did the end go? I just had the end on. Ugh, okay. I don't know how it stays on now. Once you take it off, it just falls off. It just falls off. That's not good. There it goes. Okay, so it does work. It works. So I'm going to probably make a couple other videos with different configurations. It doesn't feel as sturdy. It's like it can fall apart rather loosely compared to this one. So which one is better built? This one that you could get at Hot Topic. The Universal Studios ones, not as sturdy, but just as expensive. But I don't care. I love it. Hear that? Ooh. All right, everybody, this was just a quick unboxing. Just wanted to show you guys this awesomeness of Doctor Who awesomeness. I gotta go see what they want inside as I put all this away until I get a nice place to store it and keep it. So I'm going to keep it in this plastic. Good thing about not totally destroying the boxes, right? At least for now. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. And until the next crappy unboxing, I will talk to you guys later. Peace.